guys, welcome to Habiba and Javeria's kitchen. I'm Habiba and today I'm gonna show you how to make this most awaited ice cream cake, and that is super delicious and mouth-watering. This cake is for you beginners and for them who are trying to make a budget-friendly ice cream cake. This cake costed me approximately 250 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. So do watch the full video and see it for yourself. There are just two major requirements here, a super soft cake and an ice cream. So let's get started. Here I have taken 8 packets of Bounce biscuit. You can take any chocolate biscuits of your choice. This each packet is of 5 rupees. The next step here is to remove the cream from the biscuit and add it into another bowl. This cream will be later used in our chocolate ganache. This step is completely optional. You can grind these chocolate biscuits with the cream in it. This is how our biscuits will look after we have taken the cream out of them. Now take a jar and add these biscuits into the jar. Make sure you make a very fine powder out of these biscuits. I'm gonna grind them in 2 batches and I'm adding them into a large bowl. This is how a chocolate powder will look after the 2 batches. Here I am taking 1 cup of maida and adding it into a mixture. Next step is to add 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give the dry ingredients a good mix. Make sure they are completely mixed together. Do like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, do let us know in the comment section. We are gonna add milk here. Make sure you add milk in less quantity and keep mixing the mixture so that there are no lumps formed. We'll require approximately 1.5 cups of milk here. Here I added half teaspoon of baking soda. This is how a cake batter consistency should look like. Do not make it too flowy. Here I have taken a 7-inch tin and have lined it with butter paper. If you do not have butter paper, grease your tin with oil and dust it off with some maida. After you have poured your batter in the tin, give it a good tap on the desk so that the air bubbles are removed. We are gonna preheat our oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do it now. Now we have placed our tin in the oven. I'm gonna bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. This is how a cake looks after it is baked. Let us check it with a toothpick. The toothpick comes out clean. So it is completely baked. Unmold the cake and let it cool down completely before adding the ice cream on it. Before adding our ice cream, I'm gonna trim out the top layer of our cake so that we have a more even surface to add our ice cream on. Remove the butter paper carefully and turn the cake upside down. This is how a chocolate cake looks after it's ready. It is super soft and very spongy. You can eat this chocolate cake without the ice cream too. It tastes yummy. This is a basic chocolate cake. You can use the same recipe in any other dishes required. Here I am taking Amul ice cream. This is a buy one get one pack, so I'm just gonna use one. It costed me approximately 100 rupees. Remove the wrapper completely. We are using the complete ice cream over here. You can either scoop the ice cream or cut it into thin slices and arrange it on a cake. I feel cutting it into slices and placing on the cake is a better option. That's how I'm gonna do it. Now one by one, take the slices and arrange it on our cake. Make a thin layer of ice cream on the top of our chocolate cake. I am using butterscotch flavor over here. You can use any flavor that goes with your chocolate cake. Our one layer of ice cream is done. After 2 to 3 minutes, it will slightly start melting. So you'll smooth out the surface. After you have evened your surface, put it back into the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. While it is still in the freezer, add the other half of the ice cream to it and let it freeze. This cake requires a very delicate work. If you are planning to cut this cake today, make sure you have made this cake yesterday and have put it in your freezer for overnight. That will give you a very firm ice cream cake. After it has been freezed for 2 hours, I'm gonna remove it and slightly even the surface so that it will be easier for me when I add my chocolate ganache. You can make this cake on the same day also, but make sure you freeze it for a good 3 to 4 hours. After you even it out thoroughly, put it back into the freezer for 2 to 3 hours this time so that it completely sets. It looks beautiful this way also. This is our homemade chocolate ganache. It is super simple and it's just made with 2 ingredients. If you want to see how I made this, click on the description box above. Here are some biscuits and waffles which I'm gonna use to decorate. I'm gonna take the chocolate ganache and start adding it on our ice cream cake. Be quick during this process as your ice cream may start melting due to room temperature. I had freezed it for 1 to 2 hours. So you might see it starts melting here. If you have freezed it overnight, it's not a problem. Place your cake on a stand and then add the ganache. This ganache is super shiny and nutty and will just cost you approximately 50 bucks. Do check out the video given in the description. After we add the chocolate ganache on our cake, we are gonna freeze it for 1 more hour so that our ganache sets on top of our ice cream. Use some chocolate waffles, some biscuits to decorate my cake. You can use your favorite toppings like peppermint or corn mad. It's up to you. Now I'm taking my happy birthday banner and placing it on my cake. This is a DIY banner. If you want to know how I made this, click on the description above. I have linked both the videos of ganache and the banner in my description. These tiny things that you make for your loved ones are the things that matter the most. This is how a cake looks after it's been decorated. It's super delicious and yummy. Do like our video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.